Okay, today we're going to be performing a PM on an air compressor. This is a 230 volt 3-phase air compressor. There's a make and model. I'm going to start by draining the oil. Turn the unit off first, obviously. This little pipe plug that goes right there, you see it? And I taped a piece of cardboard up to allow the oil to drain onto the cardboard into a bucket down below, like so. Makes it quick and easy. Again, the air compressor is off. While the oil is draining, we'll check the air filter, see if it needs to be replaced or not. This one you can see looks pretty good, still looks brand new. This air compressor is low use and it's in a fairly clean environment. That doesn't need to be changed yet, it's still good to go. And you see that blow down valve up there? It's a good idea to test all the safety valves when you do a service to make sure they work, exercise them. Next, we're going to check the condition of the belt, check the belt tension, remove these or unscrew these two flathead screws. And the belt cover just pops out of the way. So we're looking for cracked belts, looking for frayed or worn pulleys, etc. This one still looks good. I'll check the tension. You don't want it too tight, but you don't want it too loose and flopping around either. Give you a different view. And then I'm going to spin the pulleys by hand just to check for any odd noise or grinding or binding. Spins easily. I don't see anything concerning. So bearings are good. Give you a closer view so you can see there's no cracks in the belt. The part number and the size. It's a good idea to have a spare belt on hand. And to add oil, we're going to unscrew this little breather cap here. And then we'll stick a funnel in there. I've already reinstalled the plug, of course. You can see a little ball bearing that moves up and down in there inside that little breather vent cap. And again, the air compressor is still off. And you want to pour the oil in slowly. This is the oil we're using. Make sure whatever oil you choose, it's compatible with your air compressor. And you want it in the sight glass about halfway to 2/3 of the way up. You don't want it completely full. But again, refer to your manufacturer's instructions. And then simply reinstall our little breather cap here. Now that it's full of oil. I'll turn it back on. And you also want to drain the water, the condensation out of the bottom of the tank on this drain valve. So we'll let it run and see if the unloader valve kicks off at the right pressure. Oil level looks good. Woo! And don't forget to grease the motor bearings at least once a year. Hope this helps you. Now I would like to tell you about a practical facilities maintenance handbook available in ebook and paperback format. This book has common facilities documents, signage, tags, resource and training material, as well as shop equipment drawings that you can use to fabricate shop equipment for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. Or if you need shirts, hats, mugs, tumblers, or weather-resistant stickers for your facility, there is a link in the video description below where you can purchase the products that you see here. I hope you find this helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.